Hello everyone to my new video related to Binance tutorials. This is Scrembo, and today I'd like to talk about the stop market feature, the stop market order on the futures market of Binance, where you can definitely utilize the stop market feature very well. So the first thing you need to do is go into the futures, which is into derivatives, and then USDT. This is what we're usually trading. USD M futures, this is what you need to click on. It will drive you to the BTC USDT page. You definitely need to have some couple of dollars right there to be able to perform the trade. We have in our margin balance $33 sitting right there for the example. Therefore, in order for me to utilize the stop market feature, I need to have an actual existing order running. So I'm going to open up a limit order, and I'm going to do with the Litecoin against USDT. We're going to take the leverage down. We don't want to pay that high fee. We're going to let it on 10x leverage, and then open up an order here with Litecoin, a limit order. I'm going to grab this thing and open it along. We need to have it right here, open positions. It needs to show up like this. Meanwhile, at open orders should not show up anything. So we've got our positions ready, and we have here the ability to utilize the stop market. The stop market is basically coming in from this specific box, which takes you with the specific TP stays for take profits, SL stands for stop loss. Now when you go into that specific tab, you're going to have the ability to set your take profit and your stop loss feature based on a market price. So stop loss with the market selected, not with the last, with the mark selected, that stands for the market price, is going to represent the stop market order, right? So we're going to basically work with where do we want our stop loss at the market order. We would like to have it on $51, right? So we set up the price at $51 for the stop loss with the market order, which will give us a minus $12.38 if it's getting touched. When the mark price reaches $51, it will trigger stop market order to close this position, right? So this is how a great way of utilizing the stock market is functioning at a desired price that you'd like to go. It will automatically take an order, the best order, it will be taken from the order book. The best price it will be taken out of the order book when it touches the $51. So if there's someone selling at 51, it will get it at 51. If there's no one at 51 selling, it will get it at 50.99, 50.98, 97, till they get your $12 filled up, right? So from that specific price point, they take it downwards till they get your $12 filled up, which is not an issue in terms of value. However, we set to confirm, and it will appear just like this with a stop market order on $51. If we would like to go directly with a market order right here, then simply we can close our position by clicking on the market order. We want to make sure that this is the price, which actually, by the way, no longer matters. When you click the market order, it no longer matters what kind of price do you set over here, because it will take the best price existing on the markets for you. The best price someone is willing to purchase in order for you to be able to sell. So that's what's going to happen when you click the market order here, which acts in a way of the stop market, but it needs to act, if you click it on, instantly at the price we have right now. So you cannot do it at a different price like you can do it when you click on the stop loss with the stop market. That's actually how does it function. It's all represented over there, stop market order, which is something that's going to get triggered. It's interesting because it's hidden right here under the stop loss, and a whole lot of the people do not discover it, or they're trying to search it through the stop loss, which is something we're going to discuss as well in other videos. So if I hit the market order here, simply it will just trigger at the best price, and I can basically select the specific size of my whole Litecoin. If I want to sell just 50%, I want to sell just 75%, I'm going to sell 25% of my whole size, or 100%, or I can manually insert a specific amount that I would like to get rid of, right? So I'm going to be sitting on 100% and then hit the market order, which means it has been sold. It has been fully filled and it's over. And for those of you interested in my complete education, one-to-one coaching program directly with me, if you like to be traders, if you want me to be your mentor, one-to-one live conversations, live coaching directly with me at scrembocoaching.com. You have the website describing how does it functions. This is running between 4 to 6 weeks for anyone out there that is looking for becoming a serious trader. Feel free to check out the video and you can qualify for a free conversation with me of 15 minutes where I can describe you how the whole coaching program works, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to build a successful trading business from A to Z. Basically, this is my passion, been trading since 2014, and I decided to put together a private one-to-one. That's where people can learn. I don't think people can become traders from tutorials or videos. You can learn technical things from tutorials, but you cannot trade. Trading is a comprehensive activity. It has to be done in an intensive way of working with someone that is directly taking care about your problems and knowledge. So this is what I personally believe. This is what quality means, in my opinion. For those of you interested, feel free to check out, and I'll get back to you on your email with the offer or Telegram. Make sure to register now for more informations, as well as for those of you interested, scrembocoaching.com/today. We have our trading journey for those of you that are in a position where they would like me to trade for them. We have this opportunity. There is no upfront cost. We're just charging a specific percentage out of the profits we achieve. On the left side of the page, we have the trading performance documented since September 2017, and then on the right side of the page, we have the instructions on how to join. That's pretty much all, folks. All the pages and URLs, scrembocoaching.com/today. Meanwhile, the main coaching page is simple, can be found in the description area or comments area right below the video. Have a beautiful day, folks. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and there is a playlist about Binance tutorial videos. There's going to be more than 20 videos here about it, and feel free to check it out. Have a beautiful time.